In this video, we'll be solving a quadratic equation using completing the square method from the question on the board. Previously, we used the general term in order to solve it, so we're going to apply that same step to a real valued problem. So come with me. In order to solve this problem using completing the square method, first what we will do is to ensure that the coefficient of x squared is 1, but the coefficient here is 2, so we'll divide all through by 2. So then we'll now have 2x squared all over 2 minus 3 all over 2x minus 2 all over 2 is equals to 0. Then this is gone with this, we'll have x squared minus 3 all over 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Next is to take this constant to this other side of the equation, so that we can have x squared minus 3 all over 2x is equals to 1. Then remember, we said we are going to multiply the coefficient of x by half, square it and add it to both sides of this equation. Now the coefficient of x here is minus 3 all over 2, so if we multiply it and square it, we'll have a positive number. So we are going to have that the x squared minus 3 all over 2x, then the half of this is the half of 3 over 2 is 3 over 4, so if we square it, we're going to have 3 all over 4 squared is equals to 1 plus 3 all over 4 all squared. Now we're going to pick the one with the squares here, then we're maintaining this sign like we said previously. Then we are going to have x squared minus 3 all over 4 all squared is equals to 1. Then we expand this, 1 plus 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16. We can represent this in a single power by writing x squared minus 3 all over 4 all squared is equals to, then this we are going to simplify. The LCM of 1 and 16 is 16, so 16 times divided by 1 is 16. 16 times 1 we have 16, plus 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. Good. So let's continue. We have x minus 3 all over 4 all squared. We know that 16 plus 9 is 25 all over 16. Next, because we are looking for the value of x, we need to do away with this square. So we'll have to take the square root of both sides of the equation, so that we can have x minus 3 all over 4 all squared, the square root is equals to plus or minus, because we are taking the square root of an even number, plus or minus square root of 25 all over 16. Then this square root is gone with these two, so that we can be left with x minus 3 all over 4 is equals to plus or minus square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 16 is 4. Make x the subject formula, so that we can have x is equals to 3 all over 4 plus or minus 5 all over 4. So from here we are going to merge it as a single number, which is x is equals to the LCM of 4 and 4 is 4, so we just add the numerator 3 plus or minus 5. So now entails that x we have two values. One, x is equals to 3 plus 5 all over 4, or x is equals to 3 minus 5 all over 4, because x is plus or minus here. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 all over 4, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, so x is equals to minus 2 all over 4. So from here, 8 divided by 4 is 2, because 4 here is 1, 4 here is 2, and here x is equal to negative 1 over 2. So from here, these are the values of x's. Great. So in case you have any questions or where it's not clear to you, you can quickly do that and put your question in the comment section. Remember to like and to subscribe. Thank you.